Hey guys, it's Megs and welcome back to my channel. So basically the tea today, there's actually no tea, I don't think. I hope there's no tea today. I'm in the petrol station near where I live, which is awkward because people are just staring me making this video, so you should be like, you should feel special. But I'm going to my friend's today, Chloe's. You've probably seen her before. Yeah, that one. That's what you're all thinking. No, I'm joking. I'm gonna go to her today because, oh my god, there's someone that's probably... So now we've left and I'm just going to pick my nan up, but that's got nothing to do with the vlog, like, at all. Hazel's driving. That is illegal. Actually, I don't think it's illegal, but that's not the point. But yeah, and then I'll be going to Chloe's today. So I'll be doing a bit of a makeup look on her. And then I don't know where we're going later. She's just made plans and I've just said okay. You know, as per. She keeps taking her hands off the wheel.
No, I don't.
She does. But yeah, I'll see you. Maybe at my nan's, maybe at Chloe's. Who knows? It's a surprise. So basically, we're just in the middle of a field, and
with our hot chocolate.
With our deluxe hot chocolate. Oh my god, it was going to spill out there. Literally, my eyelash is going to fall off, but I'll show you a bit more later.
Honestly, what I look like.
Oh
I've curled my hair. I spent an hour curling my hair.
Yeah, basically, we both tried to do our hair and there's just no point. And the wind is so strong, like...
Got them flash